Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Crude oil posted a negative return for the first time in the last 5 weeks as prices dropped across the globe. The economic growth concerns and the possibility of further rate hikes weighed on the prices as they can impact the demand for the energy commodity. Last week, the US tech earnings, such as Netflix and Tesla, did not follow through with big banks' strong performance, pressuring Wall Street, with the 3 benchmark US indices finishing the week lower, as Dow and the S&P 500 snapped a 5-week winning streak. The Bank of England needs to focus on tightening monetary policy sufficiently to control inflation and ensuring that no inflationary mentality develops, Bank of England Deputy Governor Dave Ramsden said in an interview.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Expectations at 0800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.